maze that has just been announced at Waterworld, The Horrors of Blumhouse. This is probably going to be the hardest maze to see besides Soundstage 29. But work is continuing on the maze. Still not a lot of facade work happening so far for The Horrors of Blumhouse. Over at Curious George 1, it looks like some props were added to the right side of the facade, like a lawnmower and some... I can't really tell what's to the right of that little push mower. And the piano service truck still hasn't been rethemed, so hopefully that will be done in some time. There are two gentle humans working on the finale of the maze, looking like they're just reinforcing the walls. I really can't wait for this maze to be announced. I hope it is the next one, but I'm pretty sure they will go from all the mazes that will be shared at both Orlando and Hollywood before we start getting our exclusive maze announcements. There's the Texas Chainsaw Leatherface's barbecue facade that will probably be used again for a lower lot eatery. Who knows if it will be themed to Universal Monsters or the other mazes that will be down in the lower lot. Work is continuing on the Nope ghost town, or old western town. And as you can see by the trams, there's plenty of room for the trams to turn into it and maybe drive down. I don't know. It's going to be very interesting to see what they use this for. I wonder if there'll be a show scene, if there'll be some interactive elements from the tram. It's going to be very interesting to see. And if you have seen the latest trailer, it does show this ghost town, or this old western town. You could see by the building nearest to us, it looks kind of tattered and destroyed at the top. So I wonder if there'll be some aliens. I don't know. It's gonna be very wild and very interesting to see when it opens. Here is Jupiter's claim for the Nope set. I do think you'll see a little track there. I do think it's for the tram tour. Oh, look at that truck with the giant horse, bloodied horse sticking out of the top of it.
No idea whatsoever. It is Western themed.
You do know it is Nope because they showed it in the latest trailer.
There's a big blue wall that you will see as we round this corner.
That I will show right now.
You are going to witness an absolute spectacle.
You could see that the building was falling apart at the very back that they were working on. I don't know what it is. I will look into it and see what it's called. Super Nintendo World is getting tons and tons of detail. They added the flag on top of Mount Beanpole and a thwomp right below the clouds. And the details are slowly being added to Super Nintendo World, which will be opening up next summer. If you look all the way up at the top, you can see the M for Mario on Mount Beanpole. That is a very tall mountain. I don't know if this is the exact height because but it is huge. Unfortunately, the doors have been closed the whole time.
As we turn this corner here,
so no construction on stage 29.
It looks like, guys, we're going to be passing some active filming, so I am going to have to hop
here
off mic
is
a moment.
the maze that will be inside or behind stage
well,
29.
Never mind. The wigwag was going off. If you all see any rotating red lights, that means they are actively filming
Very
inside
big
these
sets.
sound stages here to the right-hand side. This is what we like to call sitcom alley. This is where the majority of our
could
TV
see
shows are filmed.
the yellow
right
and
now,
red
they are filming the TV show
striped
Never Have I
tent
Ever,
under.
which airs on Netflix. That was produced by Mindy Kaling.
I'll let you
who was here
speculate on what
previously
that is.
Working on the Mindy Project, her TV show. She filmed
Here we have the facade for Halloween. It looks nearly completed now. It just needs the banisters on the side to be painted white. The picket fence is up around the facade. It looks almost completed. Here's the front of the facade for Halloween.
TV shows you've seen on the tour. Visit www.uphe.com.
Not much to be
Join
seen.
me in giving a
Then in the back of Halloween, they do have this archway put up. I don't know if it's just a tester archway or if we will be entering the back lot or the Curious George lot from this area. I'm thinking it's just a tester, or it could be the beginning of the queue for Halloween. I honestly have no idea. There's another archway right there for a maze entrance. So the well is no longer over in the Curious George parking lot. So I wonder if it is right here behind this wall. We honestly won't know until the walls drop. So John Murdy said there should be an Easter egg being added to the crates and the barrels, but I am not seeing it as of right now. But the facade still looks amazing. I think it is done now, except for the little tidbits of detail to be added.